Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk pie. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need one 9-inch pie crust. I'm just using the refrigerated pie crust. Half a cup of butter, that's 1 stick, softened to room temperature. 1 1/4 cup of sugar. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 3 large eggs, also at room temperature. 1 cup of buttermilk at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350 and then spray a 9-inch pie pan with cooking spray and unfold your crust. Now that looks great, so let's go ahead and make the pie filling. Go ahead and beat the butter and sugar in a large mixing bowl until creamy on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Next, beat in the flour, salt, and eggs. That looks great. So next we are going to add in the buttermilk, the lemon juice, and the vanilla, and just mix that until it is blended well. It may appear curdled. That looks well combined, so let's go ahead and pour it into our prepared pie crust. My filling is evenly added to my crust here, and I did put mine on a cookie sheet to put it in the oven just in case, because it does puff up a bit. We don't want it to spill into the oven. So let's bake that at 350 for 50 to 55 minutes or until lightly browned on the top and mostly set. All right, my pie just came out of the oven, and I did bake mine for the whole 55 minutes. And I don't know if you can see, but it's still a little jiggly, but mostly set. So now we're just going to let this cool completely before we slice into it and let taste tester have a little taste. All right, I have a piece here for a taste tester. You can see how good that looks. Put some whipped cream on the top. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Never mind. Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.